Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. The Whispering Walls of Willow Creek Library. In a quaint, ivy-covered library nestled in the heart of Willow Creek Village, twilight was falling, and warm golden light glowed from the windows, creating a peaceful, inviting atmosphere. The old wooden doors of Willow Creek Library stood slightly ajar, intricate carvings of leaves and owls adorning the doorframe, hinting at mystery and welcome. Inside, the library was grand and high-ceilinged, with towering bookshelves stretching to the ceiling, filled with countless books. Soft, warm lamplight illuminated reading nooks and tables. Bookshelves overflowed with books of all sizes and colors, leather-bound tomes, brightly illustrated covers, spines that seemed to whisper forgotten tales. Dust motes danced in the lamplight. A young girl, Anna, around 10, with bright, curious eyes, wandered through the library aisles, gazing at the books with wonder, lost in a world of stories. Anna's hand gently traced the spines of books, pausing on a particularly old, worn, leather-bound book, intrigued by its mystery. Carefully, Anna pulled the old leather book from the shelf. As she did, a faint whisper seemed to emanate from the book and the walls around her, startling her slightly. Behind the bookshelf where Anna found the book, a hidden doorway appeared, leading to a secret room. The room was dimly lit, filled with strange and magical artifacts. Hesitantly, Anna stepped through the hidden doorway, holding the leather book tightly, curiosity overcoming her initial surprise and slight fear. The secret room was filled with fascinating objects: glowing orbs, ancient maps, strange instruments, whispering scrolls. Magical energy subtly radiated from the artifacts. Anna walked deeper into the secret room. The walls seemed to whisper softly around her, murmuring forgotten stories and secrets of the library, intriguing and a little awed. Anna opened the old leather book. Its pages were filled with elegant, swirling script and intricate illustrations that seemed to move slightly as she looked at them. Anna sat down on a velvet cushion in the secret room, engrossed in reading the magical book. The book's stories seemed to come alive around her, filling the room with images and sounds. The secret room transformed around Anna into a vibrant fantasy landscape from the book's story. Dragons flew overhead, knights jousting, magical creatures roaming. Anna was immersed in the book's world. Anna, now depicted in a slightly different style to blend with the fantasy scene, looked around in amazement at the magical world surrounding her, experiencing the book's story directly. The fantasy scene slowly faded, and Anna was back in the secret room, still holding the book, but now with a look of wonder and understanding. The whispers of the walls seemed clearer now. Anna reached out and touched the library wall. Now understanding the whispers were the voices of stories and knowledge contained within the library, feeling a connection with the library's magic. Anna emerged from the secret room, closing the hidden doorway behind the bookshelf. She carried the leather book, now knowing its true nature and the library's secret. Anna returned the leather book to its place on the shelf, now with reverence and understanding, knowing she could always return to the library for more adventures. Outside, twilight deepened over Willow Creek Library. Warm light glowed from the windows, and ivy-covered walls whispered secrets to the night. Anna walked away, silhouetted against the warm light, carrying the magic of stories with her. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.